Harbor Freight has more than 220 new Inside Track Club member deals running through August 27th. Obviously, I'm not going to sit here and talk about every one of them. I went through the sale and picked the deals that stood out the most to me. These are not necessarily just the biggest dollar discounts. I tried to find a good mixture. We have things under $10. We have some shop equipment. We have tool storage. And we even have a generator that saves you $180. After I go through my picks, I'm going to show you the entire list of more than 220 deals. They will move pretty quickly. If you see something that interests you, just pause the video and take a closer look. Let's get started. One of the first deals that caught my attention is this Pittsburgh 70-piece comfort grip screwdriver set. Regular price $29.99. Inside Track Club members can get it for $19.99. Great little set. Saves you $10. That's 33% off. For $20, you're getting quite a bit here. You get several different screwdrivers. You also get precision drivers, bits, hex keys, and a stand to keep everything organized. If somebody is putting together a basic tool collection, I think this is a pretty good value. It could also make a nice second set for the garage or the house, or even a nice gift. Another inexpensive hand tool I liked is the Pittsburgh 6-piece panel and trim removal tool set. Regular price $21.99. The Inside Track Club price $14.99. That saves you $7. That's about 31% off. These can be really handy for automotive interior work. You can remove panels and clips without trying to pry everything apart with a regular screwdriver. You will see some Pittsburgh socket sets in this sale too. I did not put any of those among my top picks. Personally, if I don't need sockets right now, I would rather wait. Harbor Freight runs sales where Quinn sockets sets can sometimes be as much as 40% off. I think Quinn is worth spending a little more on if you have the cash. Or even Icon if your budget allows it. Now if you need sockets today, that's different. But if you can wait, I probably would hold off for one of those better Quinn sales. Here's one that surprised me a little. The Bauer 9-inch benchtop bandsaw normally sells for $199. The Inside Track Club member price drops it to $154.99, saving you $45. For somebody doing woodworking or other smaller shop projects, that is enough of a discount to get my attention. Sticking with the shop, the Central Machinery Universal Bench Grinder stand is normally $54.99. Inside Track Club price $39.99, 27% off. I like something like this because it frees up space on my workbench. You can dedicate a stand to a grinder instead of constantly moving things around off your bench. And at about $40, it's not a huge investment. Here's a simple one, but I think it's a good deal. The Pittsburgh 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack normally sells for $39.99. With the ITC members, get it for $24.99, saving you $15, 37% off. A 12-ton bottle jack for about $25 seems like a pretty useful thing to have around the shop, garage, or just anywhere you might need it. Depending on what you own, it might also be something worth having around for a trailer. Next are these US General 1/4 inch magnet socket holders. There's an SAE version and a metric version. They normally sell for $16.99 each. The ITC Club price, $9.96. That's 41% off. I like these because we're not talking about the sockets themselves. This is an inexpensive way to organize your sockets you already own. Maybe put them in a mini toolbox. The magnetic base gives you some flexibility on where you keep them. For a much larger storage deal, we have the US General 42-inch Series 3-top chest. Regular price $449.99. Inside Track Club price $349.99, saving you $100. Now $350 is still a substantial purchase, but if you already have the 42-inch Series 3 roll cab and you've been thinking about adding this top chest, $100 off is enough savings to make it worth taking a look. Now let's go all the way back to the other end of the price range. These Doyle 10-inch V-jaw groove joint pliers normally sell for $12.99. Inside Track Club price $7.98, 38% off. Doyle is one of Harbor Freight's better hand tool lines, so getting a pair of these for under $8 seems like a pretty easy deal to recommend. Here's something almost everybody can find a use for. The Vanguard 50-foot 12-gauge extension cord has 3 outlets on the end. Regular price, $49.99. Inside track club price, $39.99. 20% off. Now 20% off is not one of the biggest discounts in this sale, but a good heavy-duty 12-gauge extension cord can be useful all over the place. It can be used in the garage, the shop, the yard, or even out in the driveway. Now let's get to the biggest dollar savings among my picks. The Predator 4550 watt open frame inverter generator normally sells for $679. Inside track club price $499, saving you $180. That's 26% off. If you've already been looking for an inverter generator, I think this one deserves a closer look. This could work for your backup power, could work for camping, RV, or jobs where you just don't have an outlet nearby. I got one more deal that I think deserves an honorable mention. The Syntec 50 amp 12 volt battery charger with engine start normally sells for $50. Inside track club price $39.99, a flat 20% off. It gives you regular charging and fast charging and in a pinch, an engine start function, very handy to have. It may not be the most exciting thing in the sale, but it's one of those tools you're glad you have when you actually need it. Now those are the deals that stood out to me, but there are more than 220 Inside Track Club deals in this promotion. So I wanted to give you a chance to see the rest of them too. I'm going to let the entire list scroll across the screen. I'm not going to try to talk about every one of them. There are simply too many. It would take us an hour. And they are going by pretty quickly. If you see something that interests you, just pause the video. Take a closer look at that item. Check the member price. And check the savings. There are deals here on hand tools, power tools, automotive items, tool storage, generators, lawn and garden equipment, and quite a bit more. And remember, just because something is on sale does not automatically mean I think it's a great buy. Some of these deals are definitely stronger than others. On certain items, I would wait for a better promotion. But with more than 220 choices, there should be something here for just about anybody who shops at Harbor Freight. There's also a separate Inside Track Club welding deal running through August 27th. Members get 25% off welding wire, rods, electrodes, and tips. This deal is in-store only. The 25% discount is applied at the register. I picked out 2 examples just to show you what the savings can look like. First is the 11-pound roll of Vulcan .25 solid welding wire. Regular price $39.99. That's 25% off. You're looking at $30. So you save right around $10 on that roll. The second example is the Vulcan 3/32 inch welding electrode. This is the 2-pound package. Regular price $9.99. 25% off. You're looking at $7.50. Harbor Freight has several different styles and sizes, including in this welding promotion. Now I'm going to let the rest of those welding items roll across the screen. There are about 45 eligible items in this category, and remember, they're 25% off the price listed. So once again, if something catches your eye, just pause the video and take a closer look. You'll see different wire sizes. You'll see different electrode types. There are rods, tips, and other welding consumables included too. If you weld regularly and you already know you'll be buying some of this stuff, 25% off could add up pretty quickly. Just remember, this particular deal is for Inside Track Club members only. It is in-store only, and it runs through August 27th. That's going to do it for this one. Let me know in the comments which deal stood out to you. And if I missed one you think is better than the ones I picked, just let me know. I'd like to hear that too. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. And until then, y'all take care.